Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another one of our Versus videos. And today we're going to talk about doing maintenance versus not doing maintenance. And you're thinking, well, why wouldn't you do maintenance? You know, we get conversations literally weekly with customers that say, I shouldn't have to do that. My RV's brand new. I had a customer write a very long email the other day. He didn't even buy from us. He was very upset because the manufacturer he bought from, it's not a manufacturer we do business with, would not cover several things on his RV that he thought should be covered. And the reason they were refused was due to no maintenance. So what exactly does that mean? Well, for example, you have a 12-year roof warranty on your RV, but if you don't seal your roof twice a year, you don't have a warranty. And you're saying, well, what do you mean I don't have a warranty? Well, if the RV has roof issues, let's say you develop a leak, whatever it is, the first thing the manufacturer is going to do is ask for pictures. The reason they want the pictures is they want to see if you sealed your roof. Have you maintained it, right? You don't ever need to paint the whole thing. You just seal where they sealed. So wherever the manufacturer puts sealant, you put sealant. If you do that twice a year, your roof warranty stays in effect. The rest of your RV, have you checked windows? Have you checked doors? Are you caulking around things? Are you removing old caulk, dried out sealant, things like that, and putting new in place? If you're not, again, if you have a leak, they're going to refuse that on a warranty coverage. So there's just basic things that you want to do. You want to do maintenance on your black water tank, your gray water tank, all that little bit of maintenance. Just make sure that your RV is working in top optimal shape. And also, again, if you have any issues, any kind of warranty claims, it's hard for the factory to refuse a warranty claim in a coach that's been maintained and has had regular maintenance done to it. If you have any questions about this, want to talk to one of our RV techs or one of our warranty specialists, just give us a call at 877-877-4494. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.